Large 4-bed, 3-bath home. Let's take a look inside. That's your garage right here, 2-car garage. Front room right in here. You got wood floors throughout the house, right up here. There you go. Got the dining room area right here. Here's the living room area right here. Okay. And right through here you have the kitchen. You have the cabinetry right here. Here's the kitchen right here. New appliances. Granite countertops. Appliances are updated. And right here is the door to the garage. Let's go check out the bedrooms. The first bedroom right in here, we have carpet in all of the bedrooms. So you have a bedroom right in here, a good decent size. Here's your little closet right in here. There you go. Okay. We have first bathroom right in here. Here's your bathroom. Okay. Go down the hallway. Here's your second bedroom right in here. The closet's right here. Alright, let's go check out the third bedroom right in here. Your closet once again. Okay, then you have the master bedroom, last but not least, right here. You get your closet area right in there. You have the bathroom right in here. Let's go check out the backyard. You got nice desert landscaping. You have an RV gate in the back. And here's your backyard right here. All right, that's pretty much it.